So I got also a uncle here giving me a tour around San Francisco. It's beautiful, beautiful weather. So we're here at Palace of Fine Art. It's beautiful. So अहिले चाहिँ हामी गोल्डन गेट ब्रिज कति वर्ष पुरानो भयो?
यो 1933-36 मा बनेको के अरे हैन?
हजुर.
Total 1.2 mileage.
हजुर.
This is higher level from the sea level and the water level.
हजुर.
Almost 200 feet. हुन्छ. अनि during the construction यसमा कति 82 जना चाहिँ मान्छे मरेका रहेछन्. They dropped them into the water हैन? किनभने त्यो बेला फर्स्ट सस्पेन्सन ब्रिज हो नि त.
हजुर.
अनि सेफ्टी केही पनि थिएन त्यो बेलामा. फर्स्ट आर्किटेक्चर फर्स्ट, त्यही भएर यो पक्ष.
So we're here in Vista Point, Golden Gate Vista Point. So we're here in Twin Peak for the view of San Francisco.
Yeah, we're on the downtown. Got it. All right.
So अहिले चाहिँ म Fisherman Wharf here in San Francisco. It's an old market. Basically अब यो चाहिँ फिसिङ गर्ने spot रहेछ. It's an old market, you can see. So I don't know where I am. I'm pretty much lost.